how to add highlights on Instagram. So the first thing that you would want to do is go into your profile page. So you want to tap in here on the profile icon on the bottom right. And in here, you just simply need to look for the plus icon right here. So this is where you'd be able to add highlights. So you want to tap on the plus icon, and then from here, you would now be able to see the archive of your stories that you have posted as a story here in Instagram. And you basically just need to select stories right here that you would want to add into this highlights. For example, I'm just going to select this right here. And then after that, once you're done selecting your story, you want to tap here on next. Right here, next. And then from here, you want to tap on edit cover if you'd want to customize how the cover would look like for this highlight. So you can just choose from your selected stories. So for example, this one. And tap on done once you're satisfied. Next is the name for this highlight. So I'm just going to go for sample number 4, just for an example here, and tap on add on the top right. And then there it is. Just like that, you have now created your highlight. And then as you can see, Instagram would suggest that you turn your highlight into a reel. You can tap on try it if you want to, but in my case, I'll just tap on not now. And that's how you add highlights on Instagram.